What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dina Calesso. For those that are new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you enjoy this really pretty glam gold smoky eye with a pop of teal that would be literally so gorgeous for prom. But I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, as well as click that post notifications bell button down below. And I want to apologize right now if my voice sounds raspy or anything. I'm getting over a sickness, so I hope you enjoy this video anyways. Jumping right into the video, I'm going in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I love this primer. I just feel like it gives you a photo finish filter look, and it just makes your pores look so smooth and flawless. And now I'm taking my Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in the shade Brown Sugar. This foundation is so beautiful for whenever you just want flawless coverage. Like, it would be perfect for prom. It would last all night, like zero touch-ups. It is a wonderful, amazing full coverage long wear foundation. So yeah, I'm just buffing it out with a buffing Morphe brush, and then afterwards I'm gonna take my beauty blender or like my Morphe sponge. Taking my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, I'm going to be spraying this all over my skin, and then I'm going to be taking my Morphe sponge and pressing that product into my skin, as well as just further blending out the foundation and just really making it look more skin-like and flawless. And now I'm going in with my Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm going in with two shades. The first shade I'm going in with is Natural Beige, and this is just gonna kind of really already highlight and conceal, as well as it's just like my first layer. And then I'm gonna go in with my second layer, which is a little bit lighter shade, just to really brighten underneath my eyes. And I'm gonna be taking this on my eyelids as well to work as a primer. Typically, whatever concealer I'm using, I apply on my eyelids and just use it as a eyeshadow primer, just because I feel like it really helps with any discoloration and the eyeshadows pop out a lot more. And then I'm going to be taking my Morphe sponge and blending out my first layer of concealer. Going in with that lighter concealer shade in the shade Light Beige, I'm going to be taking it directly underneath my eyes and a little bit underneath the chin, and then blending it out. Going in with my Anastasia Cream Contour in the shade Medium, I'm going to be contouring and bronzing my skin with those two colors. First, I'm going to start off with the more bronzier shade, just so I can kind of bronze and warm up my skin, and then afterwards I'm going to go in with a deeper shade to further sculpt and contour my face. So I'm going to be taking this underneath the cheekbones, on top of the forehead, on the jawline, and as well as the nose. Now I'm going to be contouring my nose. I'm going to be using my Morphe E47 flat angled contour brush. To do so, I'm going to be drawing two lines down my nose as well as underneath the tip of my nose, and then taking my Britney Bear 360 nose contour brush set, and I'm taking one of the brushes just to further blend out that line, just so it doesn't look as harsh, and then taking concealer to highlight my nose and clean up my contour. And let me just say, cleaning up my contour with a cream concealer made such a big difference. Instead of using a powder, this actually really cleaned up my contour and brightened underneath, which made my cheekbones look out of this world. But yes, I would definitely recommend doing that if you really want a really sculpted look. I'm using my mini Jeffree Star Morphe blenders to blend out the highlight, and these blenders are so perfect and cute and little to do so. Like, oh my god, I need a pack of little blenders. Going in with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the color Banana Bread, I'm going to be setting my concealer as well as baking. And I'm going to be taking a generous amount underneath my eyes and then a little bit on top of my eyelids just to set that all in place. Going in with another Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. This is in the shade Blondie, and I'm going to be setting this all over my face. Definitely for prom, you want to set your makeup just so you can ensure that it lasts all night long, no touch-ups, no transfer. For brows, I'm going in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Dark Brown, and I'm going to be filling in my brows as well as drawing hair-like strokes. And I did speed this clips up quite a lot just because my brow routine takes me quite some time. I don't know why, it just does, so let me know down below if you want to see an in-depth brow routine. For brow gel, I'm going to be using one of my favorites at the moment. It's the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in the color Dark Brown, and I love this stuff. It's literally my go-to brow gel, and it looks so pretty even without a brow pencil underneath. And now I'm going to be cleaning up my brows with my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. For the eyes, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I love how this eyeshadow look turned out. I'm going in with the shade Burnt Orange, and this is going to be my transition color. And I'm using my Morphe M504 to apply the shade. Going in with my Morphe M535 and the shade Sienna, and I'm going to be further deepening my crease with this color. Taking my Morphe M433 and the color Rustic, and now I'm going to deepen my crease up, and this is more of a kind of like a neutral brown shade, so it's going to really help smoke out our look and get it prepared for the deeper shades and of course that black. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using my Morphe M421 and some concealer, and I am going to carve out kind of a more bigger cut crease than I normally would do. Definitely it's a little bit higher than my natural crease, but we want this more dramatic cut crease look for prom anyways, and it's more of kind of like a half cut crease. It's not like that full on cut crease, so I think going a little bit higher than your natural crease is definitely perfect, and it gives you that illusion of having bigger eyes. Going in with my Morphe M167 brush, and I'm going to be applying the shade Fairy all over the lid, and this is just a gold, like an icy gold shade. Next, I'm taking the shade Cypress Umber from that same Anastasia palette and going to be applying this on the outer corners of my eyes just to kind of blend in that brown and gold together. And then I'm taking that shade Noir, which is the black shade in the palette, and I'm going to be applying this onto my outer corners of my eyes. For liner, I'm going to using my Sephora collection long-lasting 12-hour long-wear eyeliner in the color black, and I'm going to be winging out my liner quite dramatic just because it's prom and we want to extend it a little bit longer than normal, especially for pictures. For lashes, I'm using Lily lashes in the style Hollywood. I think this would be a perfect style for prom just because it's super dramatic and wispy and fluffy. Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia bronzer in the shade Saddle, and I'm going to be bronzing my face. Going in with my Anastasia powder contour kit, and I'm going to be further deepening up my contour just because I want a more chiseled, snatched contour look. And then after that, I'm going to be cleaning out my contour with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the shade Banana Bread. And then I'm going to be taking my blush and applying that right on top, and I love using this technique to apply the powder and then the blush, so that way I have a really easy, clean slate after I wipe off the powder. For lip liner, I'm going to be taking MAC's Cork lip liner, and it's just like a really beautiful chestnut brown color. And now I'm going in with Anastasia liquid lipstick in the color Stripped, and this is a matte lipstick, and I would really recommend more of a matte liquid lipstick for prom just because they are super long wearing. Taking some black eyeliner, I'm just going to be running that through my waterline as well as smudging it out afterwards. To get that teal aqua color, I'm going to be using a combination of teal and blue from that Jaclyn Hill palette, and then afterwards I'm going to be going in with my James Charles Morphe palette and using more of that icy blue color. For setting spray and to lock this makeup in place all night long, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dewy Set, and I love how this stuff smells. It smells like a coconut and vanilla blast. For highlighter, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Loose highlighter in the shade Hollywood, and this loose highlighter is so blinding and gorgeous. To top off my highlighter, and just to be a little bit more extra, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and this just makes the highlighter just look a little bit more blinding and a little bit more silvery and not as gold. And then I'm going to be taking my Cake Your Face glitter in the shade Bangin' Barbie. Here's the completed look. I'm so excited how this look turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me voiceover edition. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next from me, guys. Bye!